Train like a fighter. Full body calisthenics routine. You don't need a gym to build a powerful body. You don't need machines or expensive supplements. What you need is control. Because fighters, real fighters, don't train for looks. They train for power, speed, and dominance. And today, you're going to train like one. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete fighter-style calisthenics routine designed to build explosive strength, insane endurance, and a body that actually performs, not just looks good. No gym, no excuses, just you versus your limits. Step 1. Explosive push power. First, push strength, but not slow, boring push-ups. We're talking explosive push-ups. Lower your body and push up fast. If you can, clap. If not, just explode upward. This builds punching power and speed. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Feel your chest, shoulders, and triceps fire like never before. Step 2. Pull strength. Back like a fighter. Now, balance it with pulling strength. Pull-ups are your best friend here. If you can't do one yet, use assistance. But focus on full range of motion. Chest to bar, slow control. This builds your back, grip, and control. Essential for real strength. Do 3 sets to failure. Step 3. Core of steel. A fighter without a strong core is weak. So now, leg raises or hanging knee raises. Control every movement. No swinging, no cheating. Your abs should feel like they're on fire, because this is where your real power comes from. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Step 4. Lower body power. You can't skip legs. Ever. Do jump squats. Explode up like you're trying to leave the ground. This builds speed, agility, and knockout level power. Then follow with lunges for balance. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps each. Step 5. Fighter conditioning. Now comes the part most people avoid. Conditioning. Shadow boxing. Move fast. Stay light. Keep your guard up. Imagine a real opponent. Throw punches. Move your feet. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes non-stop. This builds endurance, coordination, and real fight stamina. Step 6. Finisher. The warrior test. Finish strong. Plank hold. Simple, but brutal. Hold for 60 seconds. No dropping, no excuses. This is where your mind is tested, not just your body. Common mistakes. Most people fail here, not because the workout is hard, but because they do it wrong. Mistake 1. Going too fast without control. That's not power. That's bad form. Mistake 2. Skipping legs. That's why you look strong, but move weak. Mistake 3. No consistency. Doing this once won't change anything. Fighters don't train sometimes. They train every day, with purpose. 7-day action plan. Day 1 to 3. Learn the movements. Focus on form. Go slow. Day 4 to 5. Increase intensity. Add reps. Push harder. Day 6. Full fighter routine. Maximum effort. Day 7. Active recovery. Light stretching. Shadow boxing. Repeat every week in just 30 days. You won't just look different. You'll move different. Call to action. Now listen, you can watch this video, or you can become the man who actually does the work. If you're serious, start today. Comment warrior below if you're in. And if you want the next level routine, watch this video right here, because this is just the beginning.